Your worst customers are the ones you give the best deal to. I purposely make decisions quickly so that I can sell things quickly. If you do it a certain way, you give yourself permission to ask other people to do the same thing. It's built-in ethics. Make decisions as fast as you can. Stay certain. You can get new money. Everybody agree? See, when I do that in my own life, I can press you to do the same thing. If you take a long time to do things, your buyer will then be allowed to take a long time to do things. You shop a second place, a third place, a fourth place, a fifth place, a sixth place, guess what? They will too. Get your best discount. It's got to be on sale. Every customer you have is going to what? Give me a deal, man. Give me a deal, man. Give me a deal, man. Okay? Your worst customers are the ones you give the best deal to. Never can make them happy. They want something. Oh, give me something extra. Give me something else. The mooch. Never satisfied. Right or wrong?